Alright, I'll give you a bit of a rundown what we've decided to do. We've been using the companion barbecue to cook on and use it as an oven. The only problem we found was the thermometer being up here would give you air temperature, and when we were baking with it, it was incorrect temperatures and we were burning the bottom. And also the size was a big factor. We couldn't get a lot of bigger roasts and veggies and that type of thing in there. So we've now upgraded to the Ziggy. The measurements are bigger internal dimensions, and it still should fit in the tunnel of the van. So I'll just give you guys a bit of a rundown on why we're doing it. As you can already see, this plate's slightly larger, which is going to give us more cooking surface. And I'll pull the rest out of the box. What's for dinner, Nate?
Pizza.
What is it?
Pizza.
Pizza, and what's on your pizza?
Pineapple and olives.
Hey?
Pineapple and olives.
Oh, you love your pineapple and olives, don't you?
Uh-huh.
Yep, pizza for dinner tonight. And cooked in the new Ziggy. Come up pretty good. Nice crusty base. And yeah, the thermometer and everything seemed to work pretty good on this one. Like, got it sitting on low. Does 160 degrees, just under 180. So, what more do you want for melting cheese and crisping up the base of your pizza? So I've done a bit more cooking in the Ziggy, and very impressed. Consistent temperature from back to front of plate. Thermometer works really well. Cooked up. What did we have last night, dear? Some steaks and some rissoles, didn't we?
Steak, T-bone.
T-bone. And tonight, whole plate of rissoles and some salad. We're going to try and do some baking in it in the next day or two. What do you do, dear? Muffins or something, isn't it?
I'm going to do some banana bread. Banana bread.
Choc chip banana bread. And I'm hanging to do a roast. I'll let you know how it turns out. What are we attempting today?
Choc chip banana muffins in the Ziggy.
And what's your prognosis?
Depends on whether my master Ziggy man over there can get the heat right in it. So we'll blame you if it doesn't work.
Oh, quality temperature control, is that my job, is it?
Yes.
Uh-huh. And how many serves are you going to get out of your batch?
I think 2 of these.
Oh yeah? Sure.
Alright.
That's good oil. Well, they're in. Let's see what happens.
You stick that across the top of that trivet, just so that they sit flat. I'm going to check these muffins. See what I baby. Oh, really? Oh, I reckon just about another minute.
Till he was.
They look alright. We'll pull them out of the tin and see what happens.
I'll tell you what they taste like.
Mm.
Another batch coming up?
Yeah, I have to do another one.
Oh, what a shame. More for me to taste test.
Well, I'm very happy. The muffins turned out delicious. Perfection. Got the freaking
Taste tester.
temperature right.
Came up good.
Happy. sure I shouldn't be able to see Marcus through here. But installing the Carafan. What are you doing?
This is going to be the first test of the fan. Make sure it works.
Oh. Does it work? Huh?
It's working.
Ooh.
What's happened?
It's raining.
It's pouring.
Yes.
It was like rapids out the front, wasn't it?
Yes.
It's
Now
been
you go see.
muggy and 30 all day.
Yes.
What's this kid doing? What are you doing, Nate? Anybody you'd think, yeah. Anybody you'd think you haven't seen rain for days.
Now we have. We saw it yesterday. But only a little bit.
These two nutters. Oh, that's colder. What are you doing?
We're playing in the puddles. Nate's saying it's warmer. This one's not too bad, isn't it, Nate?
Yeah.
That one's colder.
Yeah, but I would think these ones are warmer.
Yeah, nah, it's okay.
Let's try those.
Go on.
Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna go wash my feet.
Try this one first. Oh, this is so warm.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh.
Is that warmer?
Yeah. Get a little cold over here.
Oh,
Get the
feel
little
the heat off the stove.
Used to are weird.
Oh, so cold.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Just a bit of chaos for New Year's. Hello. Paka. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Mark is cooking a feast.
Oh yeah, good old Ziggy.
Goody boy.
Oh.
Nate. 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 Come here. Come and say Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's. Do you want to play tennis?
Yes. I want to kick your butt.
Come on, Mum.
What's your strategy, Nate? Nice and gentle.
Sorry about playing.
You have to wait, Charles.
You can play one off the bats when we're finished.
That's right. About the way, because you'll get hit with the ball.
But this is the line you can't come past.
Come on, Nate, kick her bum.
Oh, get big. That.
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
What are we doing today?
Just making meatballs.
Meatballs. What do you got here for me, Nate?
Meatball. First I have to add the noodles.
Meatballs. Oh yeah, go get me noodles. Just chilling in the front yard until we hit the 40. We're close enough to it today. Kids' pool set up. I won't be swimming in it later. What's going on in the kitchen?
Just making me some noodles. And that's putting some cream.
Oh, good job, Coda. It's going to be a really hot day, isn't it? Ugh. Beck's hiding in there with the aircon on. We will be later.
Going for a bit of a tour around St Arnaud today, and we're heading over to Charlton. So we've just been to show Nate the mill, or the
where they load up the trains. And now we're at the silo art, and it's beautiful. So we're going to head over to Charlton and go for a walk along the river and see what's over there. There's some more art on this here too. The boys are sitting in the car. Alright boys, what's happening?
We're going fishing.
We
Going fishing?
literally just pulled up at the Charlton Weir.
And you're going to go for a fish?
Yep, we'll leave Mum and Jet up here and we'll go for a fish.
Jetty boy.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
We're going fishing, dude.
Alright.
Oh, little boy. Let's go fishing.
There's the weir, and the river's just on the other side. The boys are down there fishing. Don't know whether you can see them through that. Shadows. Jet and I just up here waiting. Aren't we, Jetty? Did you catch it? Oh my god, Nate! See, Dad should have the GoPro. Oh my god, Nate! You've now caught way more fish than Dad. What kind of fish is it?
Apparently it's getting real.
Why?
Well, that's what you said. How real?
Well, we're leaving Mum's today, so that's it. We won't just have people there, and
The security blanket's gone.
we've been living in the van for what, 2 months?
Something like that.
But we've been living at friends' place or Mum's place with family and friends close by, but not now. Not
No.
after we leave here.
South Australia, here we come.
Yeah.
Where are we heading? Narracourt.
Narracourt first.
Yes, just packing up.
Yes,
Being
we
in
have
one-
just about everything out.
One spot for a month calls for everything to be out. So it takes a little bit longer.
Yes,
Now, we've had fun.
we have. It's been good. It's a bit sad to leave.
Yup. Now, on the road we go. Narracourt, here we come. Mum's a little bit up. It's a bit sad that we're leaving her family. They'll still be here when we get back.
But they won't move.
No. And one little pit stop over the weighbridge. My bet is 20 kilos over on the Caravan. What's yours, dear?
No idea.
Had a guess.
I'll go 30.
30. No, you got a crazy number you want to pick?
Of what?
How far over we're going to be on weight?
200?
What?
Maybe 100.
100. That's a big figure. If we're 100 kilos over, I'm pulling over and getting rid of some. Alright.
I
Stay.
hope we're just 3 million up and down from it.
Oh, okay. Well, that'd be good. Well, fingers crossed.
If we're at 0, you'll be so happy.
Oh, extremely happy. We'll see how we go.